Let's talk about United Health, everyone. Basically, the stock came in line with market expectations. A positive surprise of just 1%, right? Basically, the market expected 7.03 in earnings per share, but it came in at 7.15 cents per share. Nothing. But let's look at the finances. The company's finances are good. We see here revenue above 100 billion. Basically, this is a novelty in the last 5 years. This is the first time the company has surpassed 100 billion in revenue. That's a cool point. A growth of 9.2% year over year. A year ago, we had a growth of 14.2% and a quarter ago, 6.4%. However, there is solidity in revenue. When we look at the company's net profits, 6.3 billion is also very strong. Well above a year ago and significantly higher than a quarter ago. And the earnings per share are quite strong at 6.3%. $4.51 per share compared to 4.54 and 6.34. Meaning the stock, the company, both in terms of finances and expectations, has been surprising. And in the area of trends, which is our specialty, it is undoubtedly one of those companies that is at its historical peak. It broke through the region of $550 and is making a good upward movement. These $550 were broken in the last quarter. We had a 16% appreciation in the quarter, which rose to 20%. After the profits were reported, and at this moment we are experiencing a correction. Working here at 11%, is the trend of the stock upward? Yes, it is upward, but at this moment it is correcting. Upward trend, correction. To the averages, that's what's happening with United Health at this moment, folks. Okay. Upward trend, correction, and average test. Is it worth entering now? Look, the trend is upward. It is above the last peak. And it is at the suggested average price. If it doesn't lose the 21 average and continues like this, for those who like to work on a longer time frame, it is indeed a good entry point. Remember that when we talk about historical highs, that is price levels that are new for the stock, we have $600 as a peak here. So he may have difficulty breaking through $600 in the coming weeks and months. Yes, the stock is in an upward trend. It is undergoing its correction. It has already reached its correction here, and now we wait. By my way of operating, I do not feel comfortable. I would like to first see it break through $600 and confirm that the market is still positive. It would be to make this move, and here I would enter with a larger investment. Gustavo, but paying $35 more? Yes. Even so, I would be happier. Why? Because we have been there for 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 weeks now, and the stock has not broken $600, and there are many other stocks in a more aligned upward trend. So at this moment, it is fulfilling its average test correction. For those who want to hold United Health in their portfolio for many years, it is a good time to enter. Now, if you have a slightly more speculative profile, thinking about selling and pocketing a profit in a few months, this would not be the best moment. The best would actually be the breakout above $600.